What exactly does it mean to be content with the decree of Allah?
Content with the decree of Allah is an inner feeling that you know you had nothing to do with it, and this is Allah's test upon you. A person gets into a car crash, loses the ability to walk. He's paralyzed. This is a catastrophe. This is a hardship that rarely you would find people being able to tolerate. And the trauma is huge. A true believer is saddened. He may cry and weep. He may feel a bit depressed, but he's content. And he doesn't say anything that angers Allah. When the Prophet ﷺ lost his long-awaited child, his own awaited son, some say he died of the age of 2 years. And the Prophet ﷺ was approximately in his 60s. And he had no male offspring living. And we all know that you need an heir to carry your name and to carry your legacy. So he was looking forward to this boy. And all of a sudden he died. This was a great loss in any man's life, whether a boy or a girl. But in the case of the Prophet ﷺ, he already lost 2 boys. So that was a calamity. What did the Prophet do ﷺ? He said, the heart is saddened and the eyes are tearing. And we say nothing that displeases Allah Azza wa Jal. And by Allah, upon departing and leaving you, Ibrahim, we are sad. That's it. Compare this to the discontent another person would do by banging their heads in the wall, by tearing their clothes, by crying and shouting, why me, why not them? What did I do to you? I did all what you wanted me to do. I prayed 5 times a day. I did tahajjud. You always do this to me. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. The guy lost it. He flunked his test. So when it's hot, you have nothing to do in being in such an environment or weather. Turn on the air conditioning. It's not working, Sheikh. This is your test from Allah. Are you frustrated? Yes. No problem. What counts is what actions you're going to take and the things that are coming from your mouth. If you keep on whining, with, excuse my French, and saying every time someone asks you, how are things? Oh, it's hot, it's like hell. I don't know why we're living like this. Nobody's doing anything about it. I can't even breathe. I'm sweating like a pig. What are you doing? This is not definitely the right thing to do. Being content is saying, well, it's hot, alhamdulillah. I can't complain. This is something that Allah is testing me with. So I hope this answers your question.